Welcome back to the channel guys. Today I'll quickly show you how to delete the Vita Mahjong app from your device if you don't need it anymore, or if you are fed up of the Vita Mahjong app or game. On iPhone or iPad, find the Vita Mahjong app on your home screen. As you can see, I have it right here at the top of my screen. Simply long press it or hold it and a pop-up will come up like this, and you have to simply choose the last option called delete app. Simply tap on it and it will ask you for a confirmation if you really want to delete it or not. You can simply select delete to delete it. And for Android, locate the Vita Mahjong app in your app drawer or home screen. Press and hold the icon until options or a drop down menu appears. Select uninstall, then confirm. That's it. It's easy as that for any app that you own in your phone. If you want to reinstall later, just head back to App Store or Google Play Store and download it again. And that's all guys, a quick and easy way to delete Vita Mahjong. If this video helped you out, drop a like, subscribe for more simple guides, and let me know in the comment section what game you switched to after uninstalling the Vita Mahjong gaming app. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.